What's up, doo-doo? All right, what's going on, everybody? So just a quick update, little preview of what's to come. So got the cylinder head off over here, doing some rudimentary kind of checks to see if there's any warping. And at first I was kind of worried that there might be just a tiny bit. But I think that was due to me not realizing there's a little lip edge on either side of this with like a recessed channel for the gasket. So I thought I was seeing like a little bit of arch inside, but once I kind of realized that was there, I think this thing's pretty well straight. So my brother has some kind of fancier machinist type equipment, and he's gonna help me tomorrow try and get some more, accurate measurements than you can get with a Lowe's level or a couple of Lowe's levels. But that said, it's all apart. Gaskets off. Really hard to tell if it's good or bad. I mean, it's just a freaking piece of metal gasket, and when you pull it off, parts of it stick to the head, parts of it stick to the block. Not really stick, but like as far as like the little glue parts. So I mean, yeah, to my untrained, unprofessional, kind of weekend warrior mechanic of only my own things, totally untrained eyes, I have no idea. I can't tell if that's good or bad. So most likely I'm not going to know, until all of this goes back, until it's retimed, until I put a new timing chain on. I don't know if it really fixes it, but hopefully we're getting closer. So just wanted to give a little bit of update to anybody that's curious. And oh yeah, I should be doing the valves too, as far as like the valve seals with this little L-ring kit. So this weekend, hopefully can get a lot done. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.